Windows 11 system requirement had a lot of devices back from upgrading Windows 10 to 11, and those who did manage to install often flagged because of all the bloatware and unwanted things running in the background. So in this video, I will show you how I install a completely clean version of Windows and remove the bloatware and telemetry so you can do it. For this, open your browser and search for Windows 11. Click on the official Microsoft website and scroll down to ISO download section. Here, click on select download, choose the Windows 11 multi edition ISO, click on confirm. Choose language, I will go with English International, confirm again and hit download. As you can see, I have already downloaded the ISO because it takes time. Next, download the Rufus. This is the tool that will make USB installer and allow us to strip away Microsoft annoying hardware requirements. Open Rufus and plug in your USB drive. Select Windows 11 ISO and next use the partition scheme MBR or DPT. If you want to know what are these, you can pause the video right now and read this chart. If you just want to know which one to choose for your specific machine, search for create and format hard disk partitions. To open disk management, right click on your main drive, click properties, go to the volumes tab and note your partition style. After choosing partition style in Rufus, click start. A menu will pop up with bypass options. Choosing the first box removes the requirement for 4 GB plus of RAM, secure boot and TPM 2.0. The second box will remove the mandatory Microsoft Online account sign-in during installation. I will go with both of these and click on OK. And now it will start creating USB installer. While the USB is flashing, there is one important step we need to do: downloading graphic and Wi-Fi drivers. I am using a laptop with an i5 4th generation CPU, integrated graphics and Intel Wi-Fi card. If you want to check your own hardware, open Device Manager and check two things: display adapter and network adapter. If you have integrated graphics like me, just note your network adapter and CPU model. If your motherboard has built-in Wi-Fi and you aren't sure what it is, press Windows plus R, type MS Info and hit enter and check your baseboard product, that is your motherboard name, which you can use to look up for your motherboard Wi-Fi and LAN drivers. Back in the browser, I will search for Intel 4th Gen graphic drivers. You will replace this with your own GPU or CPU name in the site and download it. Do the exact same thing for your Wi-Fi or LAN drivers. Once the downloads are complete, copy the drivers setup file and your important files over to a second USB or external drive. Now that the Rufus is finished, let's restart the PC. Now on boot screen, press your boot menu key to boot from USB drive. You can look at this compatibility chart on screen to find the exact boot key for your specific desktop or laptop brand. Once inside the installer, select your language, choose keyboard layout, and on the product key page, if you have one, cool, or if you don't have, you can always activate it later by other ways. Next, accept the license agreement terms. Since we are doing clean installation, select every single partition on your main drive one by one and click delete until you are left with just a single block of unallocated space. Select the empty space, click next, and the installation process will begin. Once it finishes, the PC will reboot. From here, select your region, give your PC a username, and make sure to disable every single tracking service that Microsoft turns on by default to collect your data. After waiting for everything to finalize, we are officially on the desktop. After getting to the desktop, I installed my graphic drivers and OBS. But it is time to actually clean this operating system and remove the telemetry, slowing it down. Right now, at idle, nothing running. There are 136 processes and 3 GB of RAM usage. To fix this, connect to the internet, open your browser and search for Chris Titus 2. Click the first website, copy the command on the page. Next, search for PowerShell and run as administrator. Paste the command and hit enter. After this open, first thing first, let's switch this tool to the dark theme. Much better. There are a few tabs on top: install, tweaks, config, update and Win11 creator. The install tab is awesome because it lets you install dozens of useful programs directly from here just by checking box and clicking install. Let's head over to our main focus, the tweak tabs. Under essential tweaks, I am disabling standard telemetry tracking, activity history, and removing widgets. That unknown feature on the taskbar corner that automatically pops open when you move your mouse over it. Under advanced tweaks, I will disable background apps, which will increase system performance significantly. I am also removing unwanted apps like Microsoft Edge, OneDrive, Microsoft Copilot, and the Xbox gaming component. Under preferences, we will enable the dark theme system-wide, disable mouse acceleration for cleaner tracking, and finally add the ultimate performance blend, which is useful for laptop when you want maximum performance. Now click on Run Tweaks. Once the utility finishes running in PowerShell, you can also close it. To make sure everything is completely cleaned out, open System Setting, go to Apps, then Install App, and manually uninstall any unwanted program you don't want. Now let's restart the PC so all of our registered changes can take effect. Alright, let's open up the Task Manager and check out our new ideal performance. Okay, so background processes drop from all the way 136 to 118 and memory usage is 2.3 GB. This is exactly how I set up a fast, clean installation of Windows 11 without the lag. If you found this helpful and want to see more content like this, make sure to drop a like on the video and subscribe the channel. Let me know your before and after process count in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one.